Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you all will be all right. A memory lasts all of a second, but the memory lives on forever. Things end, but memories last forever. Let us study about the strategies of memorization. Memorization. Everything that we do in learning a language at some point comes back to basic memorization and repetition. All of us memorize things every day. Our effectiveness depends on what we do and how we do it. So, every stage of life, we memorize so many things. At every level, we have to memorize so many things at home or in school. Let's see what are the basic factors of memorization. These are three. Number one is focus, number two is motivation, number three is technique. So let's see what is focus. Focus means that you should have an environment free of distractions. So there shouldn't be any kind of obstacle or any kind of problems in the environment of you. And motivation means that you are motivated to study and you are willing to study and you are ready to study. Techniques are the methods or the way through which you can improve your memory. Memorization. Discover what your preferred learning style is. Number A, visual. Visual is related to our sight. Number B, auditory. Auditory is related to our listening or hearing skill. Number C, kinesthetic. Kinesthetic is related to our full body movement. And number D, some combination. Combination will be of different things. Visual 70 to 80%. Use visual clues, for example, color, size, picture, graphic organizer to recall needed information. Number two technique is auditory. Use auditory clue, for example, active listening, verbalizing, repetitive listening, setting things to music or rhythm, for example, to recall needed information. So this is listening style. Memorization. Kinesthetic style. Use physical clues, for example, acting things out, writing things out 3, 5 or 10 times, taking good notes, associating things with actions or activities, for example, to recall needed information. So let's see what are the techniques of successful students. Number one, read the words, say the words, then write the words. Number two, relate the words to something that reminds you of them. Number three, test yourself using vocabulary cards or a folded paper. Mentally use them in sentences. Say it out loud while looking at the word, image or expression. So in this way you can also learn it very easily. Teach the words to someone else and in so doing learn them yourself. Teaching other person is also another style, another technique and method in which all the problems become clear into your mind. Create a mental image or picture of the thing or action. Use reverse cramming. So revise it all. Last point, divide and conquer. First learn all the words, then as you review them, then divide the words into two categories. Those that you know well and those that you need more work on. Then repeat the process for those words until you know them all. Then review them all. So divide and conquer technique is also another technique. First you see which words you have learned and leave them and learn those words which you find difficult again. In this way you will learn all the words easily. Okay, that was all about learning techniques. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.